pleated filter cartridge making process. As one professional manufacturer and supplier of liquid filtration pleated filter cartridge making machine, we are glad to share with you about pleated filter cartridges making process as followings. First step is making cartridge pleats. Using filter paper pleating machine to make filter cartridges pleats. Second step is length cutting. Using filter cartridge length cutter to cut, trim off the pleats. The third step is welding middle seam. Using middle seam welder to do middle seam thermal welding of filter cartridges paper. The fourth step is filter shaping, putting filter membrane with correct length into the outer cage. Plastic shell with inner core inside of the membrane to keep pleated filter cartridge having initial shape. The fifth step is end cap welding, using cap welders to welding caps onto both ends of filter cartridges. The sixth step is fitting end welding, using pleated filter cartridge fitting end welder to weld different types of fitting ends together with both ends of pleated cartridges and form one complete piece of pleated filter cartridges. The different ends types include flat cover, fin, dough to 15 220, 220 to 226, M20, 30 thread, and others. The seventh step is length jointing or connecting for 20, 30, and 40-inch long pleated filter cartridges, normally using pleated filter cartridge length. Connecting welder to weld to 3/4 pieces of 10-inch modules together to complete 20/30, 40-inch long pleated filter cartridges.